2015 and newer Chevy Suburbans, Chevy Taho, GMC Yukon, GMC Yukon XL. This organizer is, as you can see, 4 pieces, and the 4 pieces interlock to form the finished organizer for the center console. This piece here goes left and right, and there's 3 identical pieces that interlock with those pieces. You just slide the slots together and get them to bottom out. Make sure they're all facing the same direction, and you'll hear them bottom out as you go all the way in. So that's fully put together, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take it and flex it so that it can work around all the different features inside the console, and then once it's in the console and down at the bottom, what we're going to do is spring it back into shape. This plastic's pretty flexible, so it won't hurt the plastic, and it'll snap back into shape. So take these pieces and fold it down like that. Go into the console. Make sure that these edges with the angle, which are going to fit underneath these trays, are facing forward. Slide it down in, flex it, and then let it expand in there, and you can see it's expanded some. Then just go in there and rotate those pieces into position, and you'll feel them get tighter as they go against the walls. And what happens is the walls hold everything in place and keep this organizer nice and square and lock it into position. So now it's in there. You can't lift it up and down, can't go left and right, can't go front to back, and it's in position for loading it up with all the different things that you store in there.